Hi guys, how's it going? How to generate video summaries with Synthesia AI. So first of all, go ahead to the Synthesia AI website and then click create free AI video. And you're gonna see right here, edit your video script in any language. Here, as you can see, an already script for me, so I can adjust it or add any script. So in my case, I'm going to continue with the script provided by Synthesia. I'm going to enter, of course, my first name, last name, my email, right? And afterwards, what I'm going to do, I'm going to answer that question. How did you hear about Synthesia? I have a friend. And then pass the human check, right? Bridge, and then confirm that you understand. Click create free video. So you're gonna wait, and as you can see right here, your video is ready. You can go ahead and click the video right here.
Hey, Alex here. Ready to create your own AI video? Let me help you get started. It's quick, easy, and you can customize it just.
And as you can see, this is the video already being, or the video now created by Synthesia AI. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. If you liked the final video, go ahead and see the pricing and start subscribing with Synthesia for more AI generative videos.